In this video today, I'm going to be talking about how I generated over $1,500 last week in passive income while I was literally taking off the week to celebrate my birthday with friends and family. We're starting right now. What's up, guys? My name is John, and if this is the first time you come to my channel, welcome. On this channel we teach you all about affiliate marketing and making money from home. So if that interests you and you have a laptop and an internet connection, you definitely got to subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon in the right hand corner of the screen and going to click the notifications because you don't want to miss any of my Make Money Online videos. Now guys, in this video today, like I said, I took off the week. I barely did anything, and I was celebrating my birthday, and I was hanging out and going to different venues with my friends and family. But I was still able to generate over $1,500 in just one affiliate account. Now there was other income that was generated in other accounts, but in just this one affiliate account, I was able to generate over $1,500 passively while I was hanging out celebrating my birthday, and that's what I want to talk about in this video. All right guys, we're going to jump right into this video. So if you want to generate $1,500+ weeks with your affiliate marketing business, there's a few different components that you need to have in place in order to make this an actual reality. So that's what we're going to be talking about today, what I've actually put in place to generate this type of income. So the way that I like to kind of start off is I want to talk about the first thing, which is picking a core offer, right? So this core offer that I selected had to have certain criteria. First and foremost, it had to give great value. You actually had to learn something. I like training programs that take you step by step and actually show you from scratch how to start building affiliate marketing program. These are the programs that I actually like to promote because I know a lot of people don't have the training, they don't have the education, they're just starting out at the beginning. So I like to pick and promote products and training programs that are going to help people build their online business and sell affiliate products online. No matter what you're trying to sell, this training that I offer helps people do that, right? So the second thing is, the second criteria is that I like the product to have different levels of commission payout, whether it's low ticket, mid ticket, or high ticket. And most importantly, I like to have a recurring component in there. So if you're looking for a good product, you definitely want to look at a product that has different levels or different services or different recurring services even that people can actually purchase that they're actually going to need to use in their affiliate marketing business. So these are great tools and services and products to promote because this is something that's going to pay you over and over and over again on a monthly basis. So once you've determined what your core offer is going to be, the next thing that you need to do is you need to build an audience, right? So the way that you start building an audience is you actually need to create content on a consistent basis. Now, I've probably created like 30 pieces of content actually giving value, talking about different facets about internet marketing, about affiliate marketing. And what I've done is I've created that content, I've put it on YouTube, and I've directed people to my affiliate product, my core product that I'm promoting. And I say, hey, here's a way that you can do XYZ. Let me show you this. Let me show you that. Let me give you some more value. And then if you want to learn like the whole spectrum of affiliate marketing, if you want to really learn how to set up your own campaigns and promote anything you want, here's an affiliate marketing training program in the link below that you can get access to, that you can plug into. So the last thing that I did to make this whole affiliate marketing passive income thing work is you have to actually follow up with your leads and your prospects. So that's why it's so important that you guys are actually building your list, because got to think about it, guys. 90% of the people that see the sales page, that see the offer, they're going to look at it at that point moment in time and they're going to leave for whatever reason. So if they're on your autoresponder, if you've been building your list and you're constantly following up, you're talking about different facets of the program, you're talking about different services that the program offers, you're giving more value and more value, people will see that, right? As you're following up, and then those people that are in your autoresponder, you're going to start to see conversions happen. on a day-to-day basis. But you won't see those long-term conversions happening if you don't build your list in the first place and you don't follow up in the first place. And I'm fortunate that this system that I promote actually does give you, squeeze pages, the whole complete sales funnels for that matter. And it gives you the follow-up messages and everything you actually need to have in order to make the program a success. So it actually does a lot of the heavy lifting for you. It's what I call kind of done for you marketing systems. And really all you have to do is plug in, get set up, and then start learning how to drive traffic. And we talked about, building an audience before. And I want to preference, guys, when I say you have to build an audience, this doesn't happen overnight. I've been making YouTube videos for about a year now. So my audience, when I say I built an audience, that didn't happen, overnight. It did take some time, but is it worth it? Was it worth every single video? If I probably have like 200 videos on my channel right now, was it worth all the time, all the effort, all the frustrations, all the headache to start to generate $1,500+ weeks with my affiliate marketing business? Most people won't commit to anything. They won't commit to making a video a week. They won't commit to making a video a month. They won't commit to anything. What I'm imploring to you guys, and I know that there's probably only a small percentage of people that are watching this video right now that will actually hear what I'm saying, hear me, and feel me, I should say, right? So you have to actually be committed. It is worth it. It's not going to happen overnight, but if you stick to it, it's definitely worth it. So if you're willing to actually put in the work and create consistent content and give value to your marketplace for 6 months, for 12 months, you just keep going, even though you may not see immediate results, even though that you may have frustrations, roadblocks, even though you may lose money at times, you have to keep going, guys. And if you keep going and if you're determined, nothing can stop you. And you can definitely have a drastic change in your business within 6 months, within a year, and it'll just keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger. But you have to get started and you have to be consistent. And if you do those two things and you follow a good training program, there's nothing that can actually stop you. So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you got a little bit of value from it. If you did, hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll be uploading a lot more videos about how to start an affiliate marketing business and how you can actually turn your laptop and an internet connection into cash. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace. Oh, and by the way, if you actually want to check out that system that I've been talking about, it'll actually be in the link in the description below. So go ahead and check that system out so you'll actually see what I'm talking about. We'll see you guys. Peace.